Alright everybody, new day. It's late, time is not on my side. I don't want to rush this, but I need to work quickly, so I'm going to film a little bit of it so you can see what's going on, maybe show you some tricks that are going to help you be able to do this easier, and then I gotta get it done. So we have the new base gaskets. We'll get those bad boys set on there just like that, and previously I've taken the time to clean all the goopy off and try to get it out of the motor, so we'll get the gaskets set kind of on there. So this backside bolt that sits up under here underneath the frame, this one, that guy is really difficult to get tightened up. Torque spec on all these bad boys is going to be 120 to 168 inch-pounds. You have your bolts tightened back down, but you have quite a bit of play in that. So this is how you solve that problem. These guys right here are old oil alignment pins. If I set you down there, you'll know. Alright guys, so hopefully you have a much better view of this front head, and we'll see if I can't do this one for you. So we're going to sort of get everything on here and get it kind of lined up. We're going to take oil pan alignment pins. We're going to get them threaded in. That's going to help center up this lower rocker box. Alright, so snug, not tight, not actually putting any force on them. I've got my 3 shorter bolts loaded up with a drop of Loctite. We're going to drop those in there. Loaded up with just a drop of Loctite. You don't need to cover these things in Loctite. So I'm going to get them started, and with a standard wrench I'm going to take them down. And then once I have them seated with minimal pressure, then I'm going to go ahead and start the torque sequence on them. So when you're dealing with inch-pounds, 186 inch-pounds is not a lot of pressure. So if you're putting these things in by hand, you could very easily over-torque them, and I'm not sure what happens if you over-torque them, but I do know that there's a torque value on them, and that's what you want to use. Alright guys, so going up to torque, here's your torque sequence. You're going to start on the front, you're going to jump across to the back on the opposite side. You're going to come across and you're going to get the other back one. You're going to jump across to the opposite front corner. You're going to hit the 2 in the middle. All right. Going to extract our oil pump pins. These in there a little tight. And there you go. That's the There you go. That's the rocker box, lower rocker box covers.